This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we will replace the dead battery in a keyless start Toyota key fob with a fresh one. This fob is first used by Toyota in 2023 with the BZ electric vehicle. We will need a new CR2450 battery and the tip of a very small screwdriver. We want to split the fob into its two halves and will need to remove the mechanical key to start. Look for this lever on the back of the fob. Slide to the side and pull on the key ring end, and you have the key. Locate a slot in the center of the space that is now exposed. Insert the tip of the mechanical key into the slot and twist. The two halves separate easily, and be careful the circuit board is loose. Turn it over, and the battery is exposed with its markings up, and we can see it's the CR2450. The tip of the screwdriver will get beneath it, and it comes away pretty easily. Again, be careful with the loose circuit board. Snap a new one in starting beneath the two plastic protrusions shown. Make sure the markings are up, and don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to clean what was touched. The two halves of the fob snap back together easily. Just line them up and squeeze. Return the mechanical key, then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.